How the hell am I going to fit this giant battery on here? Yeah, I don't think... yeah! I don't think the pedals are going to go round. Is that a problem? All right, I need some coffee. I'm sorted on that front, thanks to my new coffee sponsor, Homebrew Coffee. They sent me this, loads of coffees, all pre-ground and stuff. Cowboy Blend's the best, love that one, guys, thanks. Talking of cowboys, we've just launched a new e-bike store. So for those of you who don't know, we have an e-bike store. We sell DIY e-bike kits to convert normal bikes into electric bikes. Both road legal registered moped style kits and also kind of fully road legal 250 watt kits. So this has been going about 3 years. I think it's about 3 years, something like that. And yeah, it's been going really well. So a big thank you to all you guys out there that have supported the kirbebike store and have built your own DIY e-bikes. It's been great to see in the Discord some of your builds. Absolutely brilliant. So cheers guys for really supporting that. It's just been absolutely awesome. So this whole journey started out ages ago when I stuck like a 1,000 watt kit on the back of this old mountain bike, and I was like, wow, this is just absolutely brilliant. So we started like kind of drop shipping some of these kits out to people that wanted to do the same, and it kind of went from there. Now we've got Dude Stuff on board from the Dude Stuff channel. Steve, he does a lot of videos to do with like kind of all the builds. And we've got Charles, you've seen from the podcast, he helps out on the support, and also Jason, our Chinese supplier, who supplies all the stuff. So we've gone from little old me just drop shipping a few bits from China to a proper dedicated website now. And the mission has always been and always will be to enable people to DIY their own electric personal transport and get themselves out of cars, basically, unless it's a Renault Twizy. Don't forget, I've got loads of videos on the channel showing you how to register high power e-bikes, as I've done it before. All those videos are now listed on a playlist on my channel. So if we check out the new website, then you can see straight away it looks completely different. It's got, nice animations on the front now, all the sort of like fluffy stuff you'd expect from a top end website. All the kits are on there as well. Lots of information about how to convert. There's Steve, there's his mush on there. Loads of other bits and pieces, and obviously all the products are easy to find and they're all listed on there. So you can see here we've got the kirbebike 36 volt 250 watt kit. So you can select your wheel size from here all the way up to 29 inches. You can then select what battery you want, and we do it on like a rack, or you can have it just as a normal conventional kit. This is a front wheel kit, by the way, as well. There's also sort of a light kit, or you can choose not to have that as well, and it'll work out the price basically on there. And this is worldwide shipping, guys, as well, so it doesn't matter where you are. We ship all from different warehouses, so you can actually get it wherever you are in the world. Now you can contact us if you want to be a dealer as well, so that's something we're kind of encouraging at the moment. Yeah, so we can offer dealers the chance to get in on the action as well. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that's useful information for you, and you know where to go to get good high quality e-bike conversion kits, and you can support the channel and all the stuff we do here at the same time. Now, as summer's approaching, you might be thinking about doing a conversion yourself, so we've got a discount code for the new website, which is going to be valid for the next week from this date. Andy Kirby 7 is going to get you 7% off of anything on that website. So basically, go for it, fill your boots, and hopefully we'll see some more e-bike conversions showing up in the Discord. Now, as this website's just been launched, there's going to be more products added as time goes on, so you might notice that the Sadverton products aren't there, the controllers aren't there at the moment. That's because we're updating that whole section to have the new controllers, which we're going to be doing. So for the higher power stuff, motorcycle builds, there's going to be more stuff coming on the website for that soon. So super exciting stuff, guys. Once again, thanks to everybody who's bought from the store before and supported that. Absolutely brilliant. Couldn't have done it without you. Go check out the store if you haven't already. In the meanwhile, like and subscribe this video. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of the new website, and I'll catch you next time.